Hello and welcome to Freestyle Friday. Today's tip is called submarines. A lot of swimmers have a problem with the position of their torso. Since our chest floats very easily and our legs naturally sink, it is common to see people swim like this. It requires a lot of effort from your arms if you want to move through the water like this. We will have a lot of tips on this channel to correct this position of your torso. Today, we will go over just one. To fix it, you need a better horizontal balance. Try this. Jump from the bottom of the pool, and after going to the surface, go back down, pushing your chest down. This is hard because your chest wants to float and your legs to sink. But if you manage to get your chest to sink, gravity will pull your legs down and move your body forward a little bit. And then, as your chest naturally starts to pull you up the surface, you will also move forward. So when you swim, that's what you want to be doing. Pushing your chest down, which brings your hips up, and you will move faster. Before you go, help us by clicking that like button. Here are more videos that could be of interest to you. Thanks for watching. Swim fast!